Apple's legacy of innovation in smartphone technology continues with the much-anticipated iPhone 16 Pro Max, expected to launch in 2024. The buzz within the tech community is palpable, especially after the recent debut of the iPhone 15 series. The upcoming iPhone 16 lineup promises transformative improvements that could redefine the smartphone experience. Camera revolution. The spotlight shines on the speculated revolutionary TiER prism telephoto camera, potentially a game-changer in mobile photography. Rumors sparked from Apple's years-long sourcing of glass lenses suggest a breakthrough with this sophisticated lens system. It boasts a remarkable 5x optical zoom capability, a significant leap from its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Design and size enhancements. To accommodate this cutting-edge technology, reports suggest a potential increase in size to 6.3 inches for the iPhone 16 Pro, resembling the design language of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. The aim? To create space for the TiER prism camera setup, offering users a larger display and groundbreaking camera capabilities. Action button innovation. Apple's innovation doesn't stop at cameras. The incorporation of a touch-sensitive capacitive action button across all models of the iPhone 16 series is a notable development. Codenamed Cotton Alloys, this button introduces a force sensor for touch interactions, offering tactile feedback and potentially varying pressure-sensitive functionalities. User interface revolution. This touch-sensitive capacitive action button represents Apple's commitment to intuitive interfaces. The pressure sensitivity and tactile switching functionalities promise to elevate the user experience, marking a departure from traditional mechanical buttons. Display and durability upgrades. The iPhone 16 series retains the signature Apple design language while introducing several upgrades. OLED displays, even in the standard models, promise immersive visuals. The extension of Ceramic Shield protection to Ceramic Shield 3 in the Pro models ensures enhanced durability, providing users with added confidence in their device's longevity. Performance and pricing strategy. Powered by the A18 and A8 Pro chipsets and offering ample RAM and storage options, the iPhone 16 series is poised for robust performance. Apple's pricing strategy aligns with its premium market positioning, appealing to users with older iPhone models or those new to the Apple ecosystem. Conclusion. While incremental upgrades might not immediately sway current iPhone 15 users, the iPhone 16 series holds promise for those seeking cutting-edge technology, exceptional photography capabilities, and a seamless user experience within the Apple ecosystem.